Hi, and welcome to this video guide progressing for the classes on Noteable for the if and for notebooks. In this video guide, we'll be looking at the if notebooks for Nat 3 and Nat 4. In the if and for statements notebook, you'll first see the legend color-coded using the Markdown cell type, which will highlight what the different colors in the Markdown cells through the notebook mean. The cells highlighted in orange show either cells to investigate exercises or indicate where a student could do an exercise in the code cell below. This notebook also includes some examples of exercises in paired programming for students and learners to come together to improve and create examples of code shown in the notebook. The if and for notebook exemplars can be run on Noteable starting with the Nat 3 introductory notebook, which includes the legend color-coded using the Markdown cell type, as well as some introductory exercises to print statements using Python. Scrolling down the notebook, you will see that there are a variety of options for example exercises available to you, which you can go through and pick and choose or adapt for any kind of class that you would like to teach using Noteable.